morning. I would like to thank you for examiner to this opportunity given to me. I will present my thesis proposal seminar entitled Evaluating Customer Loyalty for Mobile Phone Internet. And I would like to thank you for my advisor, Professor Usep Suhud, MSI, PhD, and Professor Dr. Muhammad Rizan, MM. And I am Muhammad Afif Abdurrahim. I am a Master of Management student at the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University. My proposal seminar presentation outline consists of 3 agenda items. The first one is introduction, the second literature review, and the third research method. The introduction consists of an introduction, research question, research purpose, and benefit of research. The advancement of technology has led to an increased use of mobile phone to access and facilitate daily activity. In utilizing technology, individuals are required to be connected to the internet to access systems that help with daily tasks. In using a cell phone, everyone is faced with several cell phone internet service providers in their area. However, with development of the mobile internet service provider industry, the challenge and issues related to service delivery have also become more complex. Service provider must have a strategy to be able to retain customer by maintaining and improving the quality of the product or service provided. Customers are one of the important assets. Customer satisfaction is a customer feeling that is satisfied or disappointed with the result obtained according Kotler and Keller 2016. Dissatisfied customer will complain to companies, employees. Customer will be more loyal to cell phone internet service provider brands that are considered credible and reliable in providing good internet service, according Hayati and Al-Mudassir 2019. The following is data on internet service provider user in Indonesia. In the first place is Telkomsel, Simpati, Halo, with 40.27%. And the second is Indosat Urido or 3 with 33.4%. And the third is Excel Axiata or Axis with 21%. And the last is Smartfren with 5.32%. There are types of service failure that users have experienced when using cell phone service provider internet service, such as connection interruption, slow internet access, or problems in activating data package, and other technical problems. This research will examine how customers who use internet service providers in Indonesia get response from internet service provider regarding complaint handling and service recovery, which can affect customer loyalty to the internet service provider they use. The next is research question. In research question, have 9 points. The first one is, does service failure have a significant effect on complaint handling for internet service provider user? The second is, does service failure have a significant effect on service recovery for internet service provider users? The third is, does complaint handling have a significant effect on service recovery for internet service providers? Internet service provider user. The fourth is, does complaint handling have a significant effect on satisfaction with complaint handling for internet service provider user? The five is, does service recovery have a significant effect on satisfaction with complaint handling for internet service provider user? The next is, does service recovery have a significant effect on brand credibility for internet service provider? 7. Does service recovery have a significant effect on customer loyalty for internet service provider user? 8. Does satisfaction with complaint handling have a significant effect on brand credibility for internet service provider user? 9. Does brand credibility have a significant effect on customer loyalty for internet service provider? There are also 9 research questions. The first is to test and analyze whether service failure has a significant effect on complaint handling among user of internet service provider. Second is to test and analyze whether service failure has a significant effect on service recovery among user of internet service provider. The next is to test and analyze whether complaint handling has a significant effect on service recovery among user of internet service provider. 4. To test and analyze whether complaint handling has a significant effect on satisfaction with complaint handling among user of internet service provider. 5. To test and analyze whether service recovery has a significant effect on satisfaction with complaint handling among user of internet service provider. 6. To test and analyze whether service recovery has a significant effect on brand credibility among user of internet service provider. 7. To test and analyze whether service recovery has a significant effect on customer loyalty among user of internet service provider. 8. To test and analyze whether satisfaction with complaint handling has a significant effect on brand credibility among user of internet service provider. And the last is to test and analyze whether brand credibility has a significant effect on customer loyalty among user of internet service provider. Next is benefit of research for theoretical benefits and practical benefits. For the theoretical benefits, contributing ideas, providing insight, and studying within the field of service in education. This research serves as a reference for future studies exploring the multi-relationships among variables like service failure, complaint handling, service recovery, satisfaction with complaint handling, brand credibility, and customer loyalty in the context of internet service provider services. And for practical benefit, as information material and input for the internet service provider industry in terms of company performance so that they provide an overview of proposal related to the variable service failure, complaint handling, service recovery, satisfaction with complaint handling, brand credibility, and customer loyalty. Literature review. Literature review consists of literature review, theoretical framework, and hypothesis. There are 6 variables that will be used by the first researcher is the first, service failure. Service failure is failure of the service provided by the service provider. And complaint handling is efforts by the service provider to handle and manage customer complaint. And service recovery. Service recovery is effort by the service provider to rectify service after a service failure. The next is satisfaction with complaint handling. Satisfaction with complaint handling is customer satisfaction related to well-handled complaint resolution by service provider. The next is brand credibility, the ability of a product or service to be trusted and considered valuable by consumer. And the last one is customer loyalty. Customer loyalty is customer who continuously use product or service from the service provider's brand. Theoretical framework. The theoretical framework consists of 6 variables, the first being service failure to complaint handling, and the next is service failure to service recovery, and complaint handling to service recovery, complaint handling to satisfaction with complaint handling, service recovery to satisfaction with complaint handling, service recovery to brand credibility, service recovery to customer loyalty, satisfaction with complaint handling to brand credibility, and brand credibility to customer loyalty. And this study has 9 hypotheses. The first, hypothesis 1, service failure has an effect on complaint handling. Hypothesis 2, service failure has an effect on service recovery. Hypothesis 3, complaint handling has an effect on service recovery. Hypothesis 4, complaint handling has an effect on satisfaction with complaint handling. Hypothesis 5, service recovery has an effect on satisfaction with complaint handling. Hypothesis 6, service recovery has an effect on brand credibility. Hypothesis 7, service recovery has an effect on customer loyalty. Hypothesis 8, satisfaction with complaint handling has an effect on brand credibility. Hypothesis 9, brand credibility has an effect on customer loyalty. Research method. Research method consists research method and data analysis technique. Research method. Research time and place. This research will be conducted in the area of Jakarta, Bogor, and Depok in Indonesia. The research will be carried out for 3 months, starting from August to October 2023. And research design. This quantitative research design will use a survey in which the researcher will send questionnaires to respondents using a Likert scale. Population. The population in this study consists of respondents who have been using mobile internet service provider for at least 3 months in Jakarta, Bogor, and Depok, Indonesia, and have previously made complaints to the service provider. Sample. Sample will be taken using convenient sampling technique, and sample taken are people who use Telkomsel, Indosat, XL, Smartfren, 3, Axis with a minimum of 2,000 sample. 200 sample. Data analysis technique. On data analysis technique, the researcher will carry out a validity test and reliability test. The validity test using exploratory factor analysis or EFA. Using structural equation modeling SEM can be said to be valid if the loading factor has greater than 0.5 is very significant. And the reliability test, the reliability measure is said to be good in the measurement model if the construct validity value is more than 0.7 and the variance extracted value is more than 0.5. Data analysis technique structural equation modeling SEM. Analysis test using AMOS 22 or AMOS version 22 software. God of Fit Index. and cutoff value. For x2 chi-square, expected small significance probability has greater than 0.05, RMSEA, RMSEA, less than or equal to 0.08, for GFE is greater than or equal to 0.09, and AGFI greater than or equal to 0.09, and for CMEN slice DF is less than or equal to 2.0, and TLE less or equal to 0.95, and the last is CFE greater than or equal to 0.95. Okay, thank you for attention and see you